Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and today we'll be creating this beautiful and simple card using VersaMagic in Cloud White. This ink is perfect to work on dark surfaces as well, and I'll be creating that dark surface using the VersaFine Clair inks and some sponge daubers. So I'm using iris paper. This is in 250 GSM, and this has a little shine and a glossy effect on top of it, so it'll be very easy for me to blend the VersaFine clearings on top of it. So I'll be adding all the 3 shades I've picked for this card, and this can be a nice masculine card because it's very simple, and I'll be adding some fun stenciling on top of it. So I'm just trying to blend these 3 beautiful shades of VersaFine Clair, and they are blending beautifully on this smooth cardstock. So you can use any paper, you can use some textured paper as well, and I'm sure it will be a beautiful effect as well. So I am going to dry this first layer and then going to repeat the same process again, so that I have a little vibrant color on this card base. So now when the card base is all dry, we'll be adding the stenciling, and for this I'm using this chalk ink which is called VersaMagic in Cloud White. So I'm using this stencil by Faber-Castell, and I'm adding the white color with this finger dauber. I'm also going to use the other shade of few other shades of blues to add these arrows, and I am creating a random pattern using these inks. So I really wanted to try this on a dark surface as well, and this is really turning out to be very beautiful and different. This is super easy. You can also create a botanical effect, like by using greens and then adding different foliage on top of it using the white ink. So the background looks like a watercolored panel, and once we add this fun stenciling on top of it, it becomes so organic and pretty. So I'm just going to finish this quickly and show you the finished card. So to get that final look, I added a sentiment by Altenew, and I have used some white embossing powder to get that beautiful shine, and I have just stamped a sentiment which says hello, how are you, using some VersaFine black onyx ink. So this finishes the card, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit the Imagine blog, and there are tons and tons of beautiful inspirations waiting for you. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.